Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I'm going to be showing you how to make a server, a free Minecraft server for free. So, go to papermc.io and then /downloads. The link will be in the description down below. Press the first button, press it, and it's going to download this paper.jl. Press keep because this is not a virus. And then when you have this, you have to install Java, but not the real Java. Java 11. This will also be in the link below. So, download that. So once you have those both downloaded, I do have the same kind of server, so just minimize your page. I have so much cool tabs open, I'm sorry about that. So it's right now downloading, so let's go there. So let's bring these inside of the desktop. So I have this, I have another server right here. So I'm just gonna make a new folder called server 2. Server 2. There we go. Now move these inside this server. Well, not this. You gotta open. I already have this, so I don't gotta worry about it. Let's open server 2, and then press open. Don't worry about this, okay? Don't worry about this. Just let it all open, and just keep opening this until server properties, logs, and that stuff comes. There we go. Now, go here, go to eula.txt, and then put this on true. And then Control S to save, or save it from here. Cancel out that. Okay, now, wait. So, I want to share a secret. I'm just kidding, it's not a secret actually. So, you can put any version of you want. I'm gonna put a 4G one. You can choose a 2G. Both of the arguments will be in the description for the 2G and the things. So add a text document. Open up the text document and then paste, and then write this down. You can also, right now I'm using a 4G. This is a 4G right here. And you can also do a 2G. These both will be in the description down below. So, I'm not going to be doing 2G, just 4G. Now do save as. Do it all files, and then name it run.txt. I mean, bat. So just save that. There we go. Don't worry about this. Just don't worry. So now just press open, and then just let it do its thing. Just let it do its thing. And oh wait, yeah. Right now, rename this paper .jar. Just delete the numbers on this, so it's only paper.jar. So do that, and then no. How's that? This. Now just do a little bit of stuff. It's gonna be doing some stuff here, and there you go. You just made your own server right here. And then here's the log chat right here. there you go. You just make your own server. You have to watch tutorials on how to port forwarding these microservers so other players can join. That's how you make a microserver right there, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Goodbye.